Rest the bird of eternity. It called to me, though I tried not to see, crying out for the one it came to take. I closed my eyes, but I still felt the weight. It's waiting, waiting, silent in the air, holding time in a moment unfair. Fly away, oh fly away. Take them gently, don't let them stray. Though I beg you, though I plead, you will not leave, you will not leave. It hovers close, with a hunger untamed, no mercy shown, no voice to explain. I reach my hands, trembling, afraid, but soft as a weed. It soothes my pain, still waiting, waiting, bound to its fate. It won't relent, it won't hesitate. Fly away, oh fly away. Take them gently, don't let them stray. Though I beg you, though I plead, you will not leave, you will not leave. And when the time comes, the light fades low, a whisper of wings, and it lets go into the void where souls take flight, gone from this world, lost to sight, forever gone, forever free, carried away on eternity's breeze. Forever gone.